Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, The Strokes. What a cool American rock band. And they released a new album very recently, Reality Awaits, that's the title. And I fell for this song, but many others as well. So if you're a fan of The Strokes, make sure you watch my tutorials, the upcoming now in the near future, because they're gonna be here on this channel. This one is called Going to Babble On. Not Babylon, but Babble On. And yeah, we're gonna go into that tutorial very, very soon. But first, I want to highlight my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Okay? So it's kind of the brother to this Gruvgear Guitar channel, but a little different still. We have a full playthrough on that channel with songs. You just follow along, chords shown on the screen. So if you want to thank me for my work at this channel, then you go and subscribe to that new channel. That's the best way to thank me. Thank you so much. Now, let's focus on the Babble On song with the capo on first fret, absolute best scenario. With that, we have 4 chords in different mesh-up, goes back and forth, and that's what we're going to work with. So, let's go through the chords. B minor first, and that's bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret, and you push down 5 strings. That's what you need, all strings except from that last E string in the bass. And then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We have E next. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, open E. And then we have the A, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally we have the D. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we're gonna use these chords with a strumming pattern that goes 4 downs. That's 1 round, so 4 downs like that. So I like to play on the bass strings for all these downs, except for the last, not the last, but the 3rd down. I play on the higher string, so like that gives us a great rhythm going on there, so alright, that's 4 rounds, and that's how the song starts as well. In the first verse, you're going to play B minor, 4 string rounds, then E4, A4, and D4. You're going to play it for 2 times, so 1 round goes like this. 2 rounds, that's the verse. Now into the pre-chorus at 46 seconds in. What you're going to do here is the same chord progression. It's the B minor, E, A, and D for 1 round first, but you're going to play only 2 string rounds for that first round. And in the second round, you're going to play B minor 2, E2, and 1 down on A with a pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus. So the total pre-chorus play goes like this. And a pause. And that pause takes us to the chorus at 1 minute and 1 second in, starting again. That's where in the lyric. And what you're going to play now is just to alternate A, 4 string rounds, and E, 4 string rounds. You would do that for 2 rounds. So A, 3, 4, E, 3, 4, and repeat that once again. And that is the first chorus, the first round, guys. Now, let's go into the second round of everything. It's repetition when it comes to the second verse, played exactly in the same way as the first one. Then we don't have any second pre-chorus. We're going to jump right into the second chorus and play that for 2 rounds, A4, E4. And then after that, you're going to jump into the second pre-chorus technically. So what you're going to play there is the B minor 2, E2, A2, D2. You're going to play that for 7 full rounds. 7 rounds, guys. And then you're going to finish off with that B2, E2, and 1 down on A with a pause. After that pause, you're going to go into the third chorus and play that in the same way as the other choruses, so no changes there. And after that, you're gonna continue to play that chorus play. That will be kind of a solo, kind of a bridge slash outro, everything like everything there, mix match into that final stage of the song. You're gonna end up with the chorus for another 8 rounds. 8 rounds of that A4, E4. And that, my friends, is how you handle the strokes going to Babble On. Nice song to start here, and like I mentioned, we're gonna have the strokes more here on this channel very soon, so make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. See you soon, guys, and next time, play tuned.